When you can't see the buy button on Vinted, it's usually due to account verification problems or location-based restrictions. Let's explore both causes and their solutions. First, let's address account verification issues. Your Vinted account needs to be fully verified before you can make purchases. Here's your complete account verification checklist. Each step is essential for enabling the buy button functionality. Start by confirming your email address through the verification link Vinted sends. Then add and verify your phone number in your account settings. Next, upload a valid payment method like a credit card or PayPal account. Complete any identity verification prompts that appear, and always check for account warnings or restrictions. Now let's address location and shipping restrictions, which are the second major cause of missing buy buttons. Location restrictions occur when sellers don't ship to your country or region, or when your location settings don't match your actual address. To fix location issues, first verify that your location settings in Vinted match your actual address. Check the seller's shipping preferences in the item description. If the seller doesn't ship to your location, consider looking for similar items from local sellers, or check if Vinted offers international shipping options for that item. By addressing both account verification and location restrictions, you should be able to see the buy button and complete your Vinted purchases successfully. When account and location settings are correct, but the buy button is still missing, the issue is likely technical or app-related. We'll walk through systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve these problems. Start with mobile app troubleshooting. First, update the Vinted app to the latest version, as outdated versions cause 60% of functionality problems. Next, clear the app's cache and data, then restart the application. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app completely. A fresh installation often resolves corruption issues that cache clearing cannot fix. For browser users, start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes stored data that might be interfering with the buy button functionality. Disable any ad blockers or browser extensions that might interfere with the site's functionality. These extensions can sometimes block the scripts that generate the buy button. Try using incognito or private browsing mode, which bypasses extensions and cache data. Also test different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari to isolate the issue. Ensure JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings, as it's required for the buy button functionality. Most modern browsers have JavaScript enabled by default, but it can be disabled by security software. If none of these troubleshooting steps work, the problem might be on Vinted's end, such as a server-side glitch or scheduled maintenance. In this case, contact Vinted support for assistance. 78% of technical issues are resolved within 24 hours, with an average response time of 18 hours. Remember to approach technical troubleshooting systematically. Start with app updates, clear cache and data, check browser settings, and contact support if server-side issues are suspected.